What if I told you that right now, you could be using free AI tools to make your first $1,000 online this month, even if you've never made a dollar before? And what if I told you that you could do it using tools that are completely free? This isn't a crazy dream. This is happening right now. We are living in a brand new world, a world powered by artificial intelligence, or AI. These powerful tools aren't just for giant companies or tech geniuses anymore. They're for you, from your laptop right now, without spending a single dollar. Welcome to Make Money Monster. Subscribe for weekly AI money hacks and let's get you paid. Are you ready to make your first 1,000 with AI? Let's go. The world is changing faster than ever before. The reason for this massive shift is artificial intelligence. Think of AI as a super smart assistant that can help you with almost anything. It can write, create images, make videos, and organize your work. It's like having a team of experts working for you around the clock, for free. This is why I call it the AI gold rush. Fortunes are being made by people who grab the new tools and put them to work. Let's talk about the specific tools you can use: ChatGPT, InVideo.ai, Canva, and Notion AI. These can turn a simple script into a full video in minutes, clips, music, and a voiceover. For design, Canva uses AI to help you create stunning graphics, presentations, and YouTube thumbnails. And for organization, Notion AI can build entire project plans for you. You don't need to be a tech expert. Today it's simple and free. This levels the playing field and gives everyone a chance. AI equals new income opportunities. This is the new reality. The first and most powerful side hustle you can start right now is becoming an AI content creator. You use AI to create content for platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram, and you get paid for it. The best part? You can do this without ever showing your face. These are called faceless channels, and they are exploding in popularity. Thousands are earning $500 to $5,000 a month from faceless AI content. People make simple videos on interesting facts, history stories, motivational quotes, and guided meditations. A normal channel means research, writing, filming, editing, and thumbnails. A huge amount of time and skill. With AI, ask ChatGPT for ideas. Have it write the script, then paste the script into an AI video generator, like InVideo.ai. The AI will find relevant clips, add background music, and generate a realistic voiceover for you. You are no longer the creator. You are the director guiding tools to produce for you. Instead of a week for one video, you can create 5 or 10 in a single day. More videos mean more views. More views mean ad revenue, affiliate sales, and sponsorship opportunities. Thousands of ordinary people earn from $500 to $5,000 a month with this exact method. They picked a niche, learned a few simple AI tools, and uploaded consistently. It works. The AI writes the script. The AI creates the video. You upload it, you earn the money. Start from your bedroom with a laptop and an internet connection. This is your first real path to that $1,000 per month goal. We believe everyone deserves a shot at success, and AI is that shot. Smash subscribe for more guides. The future is being built right now. You have a front row seat. Let's build it together. If creating content isn't your thing, don't worry. Become an AI-powered freelancer offering services on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. Businesses need blog writing, social media management, ad creatives, and better SEO, and they pay for it. With AI, you deliver faster and more efficiently, so you make more per hour. A traditional writer spends hours on a single 1,000-word post. As an AI freelancer, your workflow is different. Use ChatGPT to outline, research key facts, and draft in about 10 minutes. Then, act as the expert editor. Refine, add insights, fact-check, match tone, generate a month of captions, design social graphics in Canva, even produce logo options instantly. AI is your secret weapon to outperform the competition. Income here is direct. You can earn with your very first client. New freelancers commonly charge $25 to $100 per job. To make $1,000 a month, 10 jobs at $100, or $20 at $50, or $40 at $25. With AI speed, 1 or 2 jobs a day is achievable. This is a fast track to real cash. Ready to land your first paying client this week? Here's your game plan. Choose 1-2 services, create a compelling profile, and be specific. Build portfolio samples and put them right in your gig to build instant trust. Our third side hustle is more advanced, but has the highest potential for long-term, semi-passive income. Become an AI automation boss. Don't just do one-off tasks. Build systems that run 24/7 for clients. They struggle with repetitive tasks, customer inquiries, social posting, email list management. You set up automations and charge a monthly retainer. Use tools like Zapier or Make. They're the glue that connects apps and services. Example: a website form submission populates a sheet. ChatGPT drafts a personalized email, and the system sends it instantly. The business saves time and makes money without lifting a finger. Create productized packages, social media automation for a month of content scheduling, and lead management for automated follow-ups. You aren't selling time, you're selling results and saved hours. Charge a monthly fee. 3 clients at $300 each is $900 a month. 5 clients is $2,500 a month. Once set up, these systems need very little maintenance. Add more clients without much extra work. You're building a scalable business. To stand out, master one tool deeply and stay consistent. Focus plus consistency equals cash flow. AI is your 24/7 employee that never sleeps. 3 clients at $300 a month is $900 plus semi-passive income. A lot of people will get excited. How do you make sure you're the one who succeeds? It's not about the fanciest tools or being the smartest. It comes down to focus and consistency. Don't do all 3 at once. Pick one side hustle, 1 or 2 core tools, and master them. If YouTube, become expert at ChatGPT and InVideo. If freelancing, be the best AI-powered blog writer on Fiverr. Deep beats wide. Focus makes you efficient and effective. Success isn't overnight. Upload 2 videos a week or send 5 proposals a day. Small actions build momentum. Your first attempts may be average. Keep creating, keep improving, and save your best work to build proof. We have covered a ton of ground today. The AI gold rush, the AI content machine, the AI freelance superstar, and the AI automation boss. Plus the secret sauce of focus and consistency. But none of this matters if you don't take action. Knowledge is not power. The application of knowledge is power. Your next move is simple. Pick one side hustle. Just one, don't overthink it. Choose the one that excites you. This week's goal isn't $1,000, it's one concrete step. Upload your first AI video, or create your Fiverr profile and one portfolio piece. If the first video gets 10 views, or your first gig pays $10, it doesn't matter. You broke the barrier. Do it again. A little better, faster, more confident. Now that you know how to make $1,000 a month with AI, how far could you take it? Subscribe. In my next video, I'll show you how to make $100 a day with AI automation. The only monster you should fear is missing your next opportunity. Subscribe and don't forget to check the description area of this video for free help to get you going.